So you're working on that home reno project and you're just really thinking, I'd really love some glass tile, but I really don't think it fits in the budget. Well, we're super stoked to announce the launch of our Oceanside Outlet. What is the outlet exactly? Well, the Oceanside Outlet offers overstocked but fully standard products at a reduced cost and other unique purchasing opportunities that we may not have in our regular in-stock program. Products will vary from week to week depending on sales and availability, and we have lots of colors and different items that you can choose from. And in fact, a lot of these items have install photos to which you can check out if you're curious to see how it looks in somebody's space. Like any online retail store, you can actually order and have it shipped directly to your door. If you're within the continental US, you actually get free shipping. In addition, not only can you just order sheets very easily and accessibly, but you can also order samples. So if you're just looking to get a little taste into what the product might be, what it looks like in your home, you can easily add a sample here. And as you can see, these sample pieces are pretty inexpensive. And we did that for a reason because we really wanted to take the stress out of the guessing game and just so you guys can feel comfortable in purchasing different options to find the best one that fits your space. We hope the outlet offers opportunity for you to spruce up your home in a budget-friendly way.